Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today on my blog I shared this cute reclosable sour cream container, and I thought I'd share with you how to make that. So let me grab my trimmer real quickly and my piece of Pick a Pattern designer paper. It is cut to 4 3/4 by 5 1/2, and I just need to put a single score line in here at 1/4 inch. And then I'm going to fold that score line back, and then I'm going to fold it back again. And I found that it was easier not to try and score the second, that it just takes care of itself. So let's add our tear and tape. We're going to go right here under this edge. And let me go ahead and peel the backing on this piece and secure that. We're not going to worry about the other edge, it'll take care of itself. And then down this side, which is the same edge where we added the tear and tape on the front, I'm going to add a full piece, and then just in the middle here. No exact measurements needed for this. Let me just burnish that real quickly. And then I'm going to take my bone folder and kind of draw it across here to soften the designer paper a little bit. And the same thing at the bottom. It'll help it fold together more easily. Okay. And then we'll peel the backing off. And peel this backing off, and we want to tuck this top in here, just overlapping the tear and tape, and then making sure that your tops match. Okay, and then we're going to come down here and do the same thing at the bottom. Oops. Match them up. It's not cooperating since I'm on camera. Okay, so we're going to finish that up and then squeeze this bottom together and match that up. And then come over to this one. And then we're going to close. And this end will open and close again. Check out the next video, and I will show you all about making the little bow here, and we'll finish embellishing. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then hop on over to my blog to see what else I'm sharing. Thanks for stopping by.